Algorand Staking Crypto Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Algorand Staking Platform. Algorand, designed as a high-performance blockchain, offers a seamless and efficient staking experience with its pure proof-of-stake (PPOS) mechanism. This platform is ideal for crypto enthusiasts seeking reliable passive income opportunities without complex technical setups. Staking on Algorand is straightforward. Simply hold Algo tokens in a compatible wallet, such as ParaWallet or MyAlgo, and you automatically earn rewards. No delegation or lockup periods are required, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned investors. One standout feature is its accessibility. Rewards are distributed automatically, so you don't need to monitor or manually claim them. Additionally, the platform boasts ultra-low transaction fees, ensuring your staking returns aren't eaten away by costs. Another major advantage is speed. Algorand processes transactions in under 5 seconds, ensuring a smooth user experience whether you're staking, transferring, or trading tokens. Security is a top priority, with Algorand's blockchain employing cryptographic tools and decentralization to ensure that your funds remain safe. For eco-conscious investors, it's worth noting that Algorand is carbon neutral, combining sustainability with innovation. You're not just earning rewards, but also supporting an environmentally friendly blockchain. The staking rewards, typically around 4 to 6% annualized, are competitive and consistent, providing a predictable income stream. While these rates might not be the highest in the crypto world, they are stable, reflecting the long-term sustainability of the Algorand ecosystem. What's more, the Algo token is highly liquid and available on major exchanges, so you can easily buy or sell when needed. In terms of drawbacks, it's important to mention that rewards have declined slightly as the platform scales and more users participate. However, this is a natural aspect of most staking systems and speaks to Algorand's growing adoption. Some users might also find the absence of adjustable staking configurations limiting, but the simplicity is intentional and eliminates unnecessary barriers. In conclusion, Algorand's staking platform is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a user-friendly, secure, and eco-conscious way to earn passive income in crypto. Its automatic rewards, low fees, and rapid transactions make it a standout option in a crowded market. Whether you're just starting with crypto or looking to diversify your staking portfolio, Algorand is worth considering. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you've tried Algorand staking, share your experience.